Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your side hustle with QuickBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale your side hustle effectively with QuickBooks, begin by setting up your account. Visit the QuickBooks website and choose the right plan for your needs. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its features. Next, input your business details in the settings section. This includes your business name, address, and type of services offered. Add your business bank accounts to link them with QuickBooks. This allows for seamless transaction tracking and reconciliation. After linking your accounts, begin logging your income and expenses. Go to the Transactions tab and select Add Transaction to record each entry. Categorize your transactions properly to maintain clear financial records. Utilize the invoicing feature to bill clients effectively. Create a professional invoice template that reflects your brand. Send invoices directly through QuickBooks for efficient payment collection. As you gain clients, track the time spent on projects using the time tracking feature. This ensures accurate billing and helps assess project profitability. Monitor your cash flow regularly through the cash flow report. This will give you insights into your income and expenses over time. Use the budgeting tool to set financial goals for your side hustle. This helps in planning future investments and scaling efforts. Review your profit and loss statements monthly to assess your financial health. Identify trends and areas for improvement based on these reports. Consider integrating other tools like payment processors or e-commerce platforms. QuickBooks offers compatible integrations that can enhance productivity. Automate repetitive tasks by utilizing QuickBooks automation features. Setting up recurring invoices and automatic categorization saves time. As your side hustle grows, explore the potential for hiring help. QuickBooks makes it easy to manage payroll if you decide to expand your team. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.